everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 12 by 12 canvas ready to go here with some black acrylic. Just going to give it a quick little torch. And I want to just do some Christmas colors, spin kind of thing. Don't really have a direction in mind other than some Christmas colors. We'll see what happens. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. I know I say it every time, but I really do mean it. All the thumbs up, all the comments means the world to me, so thank you. Keep them coming, okay? I've got yellow, red, green. I've got my turquoise green as well. And what do I have left in this cup? This one is the purple. I think it's the dioxazine purple. But to be honest, I didn't label it, so sorry, I'm not 100% sure what the color is. Black for sure on the canvas. Okay, let's do this and see what happens. I'm going to first start out with, I think I'm going to do some berry wine actually. I have that one sitting aside. Let's do some berry wine. I'm just going to do a couple of puddle pours. Just in a couple of different areas here. And let's put some silver in there too, why not? Okay, then let's do some purple over here. So I'm just going to pour it. And how about right over here? Beautiful. Now inside that purple, I'm going to put some red. Now I've only been in the door from work for about an hour. Mixed up some paints quickly. Used up a few that I already had. Then we're just going to wing it and see what we get. I think I need more of this berry. Yeah, I'm gonna do berry here. Purple berry, purple berry. Purple. I'm just gonna do kind of a circle. And let's do some of my metallic pearl as well. I'm gonna do that there and there. Okay, let's put some more purple down. Okay. I'm just going to do some squiggles through of this beautiful turquoise green. Love this color. I'm almost tempted to do the center too. I'm going to. Told you, we're just winging it. I'm going to do red, purple, there we go. Now a little bit of yellow. Let's just do just a couple different areas with yellow. A little bit in the center, why not? Okay. Now I'm going to put some white in here as well. I guess it's going to be kind of like a bloom technique, only I'm not really doing it like a bloom. I'm doing it a sandy twist. How about that? Okay. Now let me just grab my airbrush. Not sure if this will have enough power, but let's try it and see. Definitely see some cells happening, which is awesome. Okay, I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to do a little wrecking with my end of my paintbrush, and I'm just going to draw some lines through. Throughout here. What do you think? Is that enough wrecking? Maybe I'll do one more here, going this way, go right into the middle and out here. Okay, let's give it a spin. Let's see how this beauty turns out. Hopefully my colors are out of the way enough. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, let's go. That was kind of a wussy spin, but that's okay, I can do it again. Okay, definitely giving that a good spin again. Here we go. There we go. I got some paint moving. Sorry if you're getting dizzy, you guys. Fast forward this part. 2 minutes, it'll be over, and we'll have a beautiful masterpiece. Oh, very pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to do one more wreck. Needs a little bit more line detail, I think. I am going to, by looking at this, yep, I'm going this way. Okay, let's give it another spin. Yeah, I see paint flying, that's good. That's what we want. I really got to put a stick on this so I can stop it easier. I did try gluing a popsicle stick to the bottom of this, but it just fell off. It didn't work, so I'll have to rig up something else. Okay, let's give this a torch and see what it's doing. I don't know, I feel like I need to add more, maybe swipe a little bit of white. I'm going to. Let's try a little bit of a swipe. I'm going to put some white down here. You just never know, right? Might love it, I might hate it. We'll see. I'm going to go here. And I think I'm going to go here as well. Okay, let's see what that does. Love all the cells that are in the center right now. I'm going to try it here as well. Yeah, I'm going to. Each corner is going to get swiped. There we go. Now I feel like it's more like a ribbon effect. And I like that. The cells are coming up nicely. Let's just do one little more rec right here. Looks like it needs to be right about here. Yes. Alrighty, that's it. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. Love how that turned out. I'll give it a quick lift so you can take a look closely. There we go. My Christmas masterpiece for the evening. Oh, I'll be sure to be doing another painting or two, I'm sure, tonight. But I definitely love that. Love the abstract. Love the colors. And the cells are awesome. Alright, thanks very much for joining me, everybody. I'm sure Greg will be putting up a video right now for you to click on. Stick around and watch another video. And please remember to hit subscribe. Thanks, everyone.